Hi everyone, welcome to the session. This side Sugandha and I'm working as a product manager at Extra Marks Education. And today I will be guiding you through the student learning application. So as we know that digital technology has completely revolutionized the world of education by providing digital content to the students to cater their individual learning needs from the classes K to 12 and JEE NEET, and that too on the unbeatable prices that are not found anywhere else in India. So let's get started. What a student has to do is they simply have to log in or sign up into the application or the website of Extra Marks. After logging in, that is how the user interface for student application will look like. So here are many options available in the Let's corner. So let's get started with the home option. So in home option, you will get the all content on one single page, be it your upcoming updates of your live classes or the quick glance to your learn, practice and test content. Now the detail has been provided here in the study part. So student firstly have to select the curriculum they are in along with the class they are studying in, and all the subjects that are there in their particular class will come right here. So student will be selecting their particular subject they are going to study. So for example, I have taken science as a subject and chapter 1. So this is available in two modes, guided and library mode. In guided mode, students can track their performance, and in library mode, they can get access to their content directly. Then starting with recorded lectures, so we have this high quality, top notch, expert led recorded lectures available which students can study from it. Now these are available in two languages, English and bilingual. So Extra Marks has a pedagogy which is DLPTE, in which D stands for diagnose, L for learn, P for practice, T for test and finally E for evaluation. So starting with the diagnostic assessment, this will be a short assessment which students will be attempting to know what is their prerequisite learning. Then we move towards the learn in detail. So in learn in detail, you will get the complete overview of the chapter in the form of PowerPoint presentation. Then we have master the concepts. So these are 2D and 3D animated interactive videos available that covers the in-depth knowledge of the topic. So I am playing one such video for you so that you can see how our content is designed.
Life is beautiful, isn't it? Presence of oxygen makes life possible on Earth. But how this oxygen reaches to
Now here you can also spot these yellow dots visible to you. These yellow dots are check for understanding dots that
each and
will
every
be
cell of our
helping the students to know whether how much they are learning through this video. After master the concept, we are providing you with concept and action that will provide you the virtual environment, virtual learning environment using the hands-on activities and interactive units. Then we have Insta Revision filled with flowcharts, mind maps, illustrations, notes and visual maps. Then we come towards practice part. So in practice, we are providing progressive practice section, NCERT assessments, higher order thinking skills, extra edge, topic at assessment, recently viewed questions, score boosters along with their solution. Then we have question hub, very effective questions along with their solution, NCERT question solution. For tests, we are providing skill assessments, check your progress, competency based assessment, self-paced assessment, chapter and assessment, and finally the create your own test, in which students can create or customize their own test as per their requirements and needs. Also, we are providing you with the latest syllabus along with the sample papers and board papers you can see right here. Now to the next option, which is doubts. So if a student has any doubt related to their any subject or any topic, you can type it here and get it answered through our AI chatbot feature. Then we have my schedule. So in my schedule, you will get the updates regarding your live classes. So whatever the live classes are going to happen, upcoming live classes, all their notifications will come right here and students can join it from here. And whatever the live classes that have already happened, so their recordings will be available right here as per the dates mentioned. Also, whatever the homework and assessment your teacher is assigning to you, you can click to these options and attempt your questions or homework. Then in the learn list, students can create by adding their own learning content. And finally, the report section wherein the students can keep a track on their performance and the progress, like how they're performing, what is the area of strength, area of improvement, overall accuracy. So complete detail and analytics of the reports will come here. So this was the complete overview of Extra Marks student learning application. With our platform, you're not only getting the high quality content, but also the content that is affordable, most affordable in India right now with unbeatable prices. So let's build the future together with the usage of advancement digital technology with Extra Marks. Thank you very much. Have a great day.